So Finn, what are the main ingress risks within power stations and substations?
The main risks would be the ingress of water or gas into the switch rooms. As is well known, they do not mix well with electricity, so you've got the likelihood of services being interrupted or badly damaged. This has a knock-on effect to both the public you're serving with the supply of electricity and also to the revenues of the businesses involved.
We're also seeing a lot of battery storage in renewable sites. Why is sealing so important in these?
Again, it is against ingress of both water and also in this case of rodents into the systems. We have got large steel containers with the battery units inside them, and making sure their sealed environment is critical to make sure that the supply is not interrupted.
There's also another range of sectors such as wind, solar. How can WallMax help support these sectors as well?
Well, WallMax have systems to be able to be used on those environments, primarily on the switchgear rooms, is taking the power from those sites. So we have recently launched our WRD range for trifold cables coming in and out of the switch rooms.